Pardon me?
I just missed that. I was just going to put on video.
Oh, it's too bad. I would have liked. That would have been nice to
Can you
have
do
on
it
video. If only we had a camera set up.
Oh, forget it. I got nothing. Should we get the door for a trial run?
Nope.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Measure twice, cut once?
Right. See how thick this beam is?
Uh-huh.
I don't even have the other beam there yet.
I know. So what?
So what am I going to hold the door up against?
No, but are you going to put
I'm
the
just
beam
going to
on
hold
now?
the door?
Listen to me. The beam. Are you putting the beam on now? Before?
What do you think? What do you think I'm doing? I'm going to edit all this out of here so that it doesn't look like I'm being rude to my mom. But I mean, what do you think I'm going to do?
I think you should bring the door.
Right. And just hold it randomly in this weird open space?
No, put the beam on.
What do you think I'm doing?
Before you finalize it, like totally.
Finalize what? I have to put the beam in. What am I finalizing?
36 inches is what you have, right?
Wow. Let's see.
How wide is your beam?
Hang on a second.
How wide is your
Hang
beam?
on, just wait.
Let's do this right.
Oh
side.
my goodness.
What is that?
It's not going to work. It's not going to work at all.
How much is that?
39 inches.
39. And how wide is your beam?
Oh man.
Don't you? I know you're
Oh
bugging
man.
me. Measure that.
Oh, no, dummy.
Okay.
So here's what we're actually going to do.
Is this 4 inches?
Here's what we are going to do. Because I know that nothing is perfect, I'm editing all this out of here anyway.
Yeah.
I'm putting these beams in, and it's going to be short to within about an inch. And because we're trimming off the top of the door, we're going to trim a little off the sides to make it fit wherever I need to fit here. That way I don't go too big, and then the door. Oh, I'm intentionally making it about an inch smaller so that we have to trim the door all the way around.
Yeah.
Just to make it fit. I'm doing that on purpose.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you will have a little bit of a space.
There's going to be no space. We're going to have to trim the door to make it fit. Once I have this done,
The door.
we're going to trim the door.
The width of the door?
Yep.
Do we have room to do that?
If we have room on the top and the bottom, we have room on the side. It's only going to be an inch. That's
Oh.
half an inch on each
Okay.
side. That's this.
Okay.
It's like basically planing it.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Are you sure? Yeah. Sure you want to do that? Like,
Listen, I don't even want to cut that door.
yeah.
So
okay.
this is how we're doing it. And if it's wrong,
we'll do it.
we'll find out together. Did you say you put on cabbage soup?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'll have some later.
I added lots of herbs, so it's got lots of flavor.
How many? 11? 11 herbs and spices?
All right, trim the door.
Oh!
Oh, jeez.
Did that go through my shoe and then through my foot?
Alex,
Which way did that go?
you've got to cut this down.
I asked you 3 times to cut that already.
You could have done. Did you step on this?
Yeah, I think it went into my foot.
Oh,
It went in and out
You broke it. Seriously?
really fast, just like a 70s porn.
Seriously? Did you hurt yourself?
I don't know. I can't tell. I only can know if there's damage if I see blood.
Well.
Oh, look, there's the hole where it went in. I think maybe it did go into my foot.
Let me see.
Right up here. Let's see. Oh, God, look. Look!
There's no hole. There's no hole. What?
I can't cut that. It's too perfect.
What do you mean you can't cut
I
that?
can't cut that anymore. Well, I can only make it worse from there. Anything I did to that would take away from the perfection.
What are you talking about?
7.
What are you doing?
What? Who? Oh, what is happening? What's going on right now? Something is happening.
Don't pick on me.
Something is
What are
happening.
you doing? What are you figuring out?
I'm just doing numbers.
Yeah, but
Mathematics.
what's that small board?
There were 2 and then 4. Half of them. It's 1.
Okay.
Did you cover up one of my gloves?
One of your gloves?
I lost a glove.
Yeah, it's right here.
Where?
You left it
Oh.
on the stump.
See if you can hit this doorway. No, you missed. Okay. I'm gonna start cutting again. So
Yeah.
let's cut to that groovy music right about now.
Nice. I'm so glad we have a wide door. I like that.
Yeah, me too. I mean,
It's really going to be nice and bright.
something ever happens between me and Jen, you never know what kind of ladies I'll be bringing back here. Probably gonna edit that out.
Yeah, you better edit that out. Gotcha.
Will drive me
I
bonkers.
guess I
to
just have
watch
to
it.
sit here and enjoy my coffee.
Actually, we could sit there and enjoy our coffee.
Would you like me to get you one?
Oh, would you? Please, thank you.
I will do that.
I didn't want to be so forward as to suggest that
Well,
maybe you
you
could
know.
get me one, but
That's okay.
now that you mention it, I would love one.
Would you like your measuring tape?
Yeah, pass it here, Bob. Thank you.
Was that your left hand too? Right, left. Right, left.
Hang on. How about this? Does this help?
Okay, I'll get you a coffee.
All right, thank you. If you were to try and cut straight down like this, you'd never keep the bar very accurate this way, but it tends to be more accurate if you come up from the bottom like this and draw a long sweep across the cut. I hate when I run this little thing out of gas. It doesn't like it either. Maybe it's only a 1/16 of an inch longer than it should be. On purpose. I must need a larger hammer. I still managed to miss it. I would say I may be many things. A carpenter is not one of them. I'm okay with that. we're gonna get some rain coming in. You know, I could just sit and putter on something underneath here while it's raining. Listen to the sound of that rain falling on a tin roof indefinitely. There's a whole lot worse places a person could find themselves other than being at the cabin working on projects in the rain. Let me tell you.
Hang on, want me to help there?
Yeah. Let me get the door for you.
Thank you, you're such a gentleman.
That's what I do.
There you go. I presume I'm going to be screwing in some screws.
Yeah.
Okay, straight? No angles, right? Straight.
Just straight in, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, Alex, this is exciting.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Start with the top.
start with the very top one.
Okay. Oops.
I don't know why you're bouncing your hand like that. Just hold the trigger down till it's done.
Do a bottom one?
Nope, just the middle one. Drive it all the way in.
Oh, look at that. It went all the way in.
There you go.
What do I have to bounce it?
Right. Okay, I'll just stand back for a second.
Okay. Woo! Beautiful! It's a perfect fit.
Of course it is!
This is awesome. Well, have your coffee and snack. Shall we finish the screws?
Yeah, I'll take care of this. You relax, you go ahead and set your stuff up and I'll put the rest of these in. let me out! Try turning it all the way.
Oh my God, it's locked.
No, it's not. There's part of a locking mechanism in there, I guess. Hang on. Shit.
I'll pass you a credit card. I heard that works.
Yeah,
Your
well,
knife.
I have one, but I just don't know if.
Well, I've heard people breaking into doors with a credit card.
Yeah, going the other way though.
It worked. Please let me
actually
hear you say it. Say it.
This thing here.
Say it. Say it.
Just
Mom,
leave it.
you had a great
Right
idea.
here, see?
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know what we got to do. Something
You
with that.
couldn't say it.
I'm not gonna say it either. See, this part's opening.
Get back in there.
This
I'm gonna
part's
close the door.
holding it locked.
Yes.
It must be something to do with this Allen key thing here.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, we don't want to be stuck in there.
No.
I don't
Oh, and if
wanna
you
be
close
stuck.
it now, you won't even be able to get it open again.
And you know what? That thing didn't have anything except a hole in there.
Yeah. This is what's holding it for sure, though. It's okay. I fixed it. I'm done. Well, I'm not sure where Mom disappeared to, but that takes care of today's video. You know, there's been a little bit of time discrepancy with.
It works. It works.
All right, come on out.
I love it. Okay, there's a wasp in there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to want to go in there. I'll get it later. Don't be afraid.
All right. So it took a little bit. I've been derelict in my duty to upload consistent videos. I had a bunch of stuff come up. Nobody cares about any of that. So the point is, it took a little bit to get here. Here's the video of the door install. What do you think, Mom?
I love it.
Do you hear me, Mom?
I love it. I love it, Alex.
Mom? We plan to start close. Come on in here, Mom. It's not. Come on in.
We're
Come on.
going to have a nice little deck here.
Try. I'm not sure if the. I have to tilt the camera down a little so you can get it.
Oh, stop.
Stand over here. Get up on there, then they can see you. Okay, there you go.
I'm going to have a nice little deck here, and I have a cup of coffee in the morning. And
All right, thanks. Cut. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
It did turn out pretty well, though. I'm pleased with it.
I am. I'm
All right.
thrilled. Don't lock yourself
I'm
in
gonna
again.
crash here tonight, Mom. Night.